Good morning, everybody. This is a continuation from my last vlog, right? Because I ended right here. It's Monday. I don't know. It's raining. I'm so happy. It's October 12th. It's like the perfect October day, specifically because I don't have anything to do and nowhere to go, which is the best. I don't know what I'm doing this. Actually, I know one thing that I'm doing this week. Two things that I'm doing this week. Tomorrow is the premiere of The Bachelorette, the new season. And I never watched it before I started working on it, and now it's like fun to watch it. So I'm going to Long Island to my brother and my sister-in-law's house, and we're going to have like a little viewing party, and I'm gonna sleep over there. And then on Wednesday, I'm having lunch with my friend Sabine. We worked Beat Bobby Flight together, and I love her. So it's gonna be a good week. Even though I said I have no idea what I'm doing this week, it's gonna be good. I'm gonna make it good. You don't count every day, you make every day count. So let's get into it. Guys, my hair's crazy right now. I woke up this morning to an email from a production manager, and he just offered to jump on Zoom or get or grab a coffee. So yesterday I went on my Instagram story and I asked you guys what pumpkin product you would recommend if you had to turn someone from someone who didn't like pumpkin into somebody who does like pumpkin, because everyone loves it. I feel like I've just had the wrong thing or whatever. So 99% of people said get the pumpkin cold brew cream pumpkin thing from Starbucks. So I'm about to go to Starbucks, and it's Tuesday, October something, I don't know. Okay, I got my grande pumpkin cream cold brew, just the way that they make it. And I got a pumpkin muffin. I'm scared. This is what they call an identity crisis. All right, I'm putting this on my Instagram story too. So that's where I'm looking, if it's looking a little weird. Am I supposed to mix this? Okay, here goes nothing. Oh, that's good. That's really good, guys. 10 out of 10. Next up, we have the pumpkin muffin from Dunkin' Donuts. Kind of smells like dog food.
It also kind of tastes like cinnamon. Pumpkin tastes like cinnamon, but I just pair them together a lot.
Natalie gets off of work at like 2:45, so I'm gonna go over there, and whenever I'm there, we just like, we don't eat unhealthy, we just like may have dinner and then go to McDonald's. Like we just have a lot of fun. So maybe it was a mistake to get cake for breakfast this morning, but we're just gonna roll with it. Huge fan of the Starbucks coffee, guys. For real. For realsies. Ew. Okay. It is 2:30 and I'm leaving because I'm taking a 3:15 train. All right. I'm on Long Island. I made it.
Mermaid flavor?
Yum.
Terrible.
What does it taste like? It tastes like Fruity Pebbles. Smart Group did a collaboration with Captain Crunch.
Really?
Mm-hmm, you can get it. Let's do that.
The newest collabs.
Yeah, this is really good. Thoughts?
Wow.
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 Wow. Wow. How'd they make it taste like cookies and cream?
Did you have
And
one
mermaids?
Did you have one of each?
All right, Chris. Chris Harrison.
I'm Chris Harrison, and this is the most dramatic season ever of The Bachelor.
This time, I'm gonna follow my gut.
And just in case you're thirsty, the tall drink of water.
7 feet tall.
He's a
boy.
A dream come true.
I can't believe I'm actually meeting you.
So long, not just in quarantine, but in life for this opportunity to meet men.
Male grooming specialist.
I feel like somebody's looking out for me because I'm getting
Did you see?
really.
Yeah, I should. Okay, what did we think about the season premiere of Bachelorette?
We have an interesting crew. The guys are.
That large man with tiny pants. Now what are we gonna watch?
When's that?
I already surpassed them in my second round of watching it. I'm 31 episodes ahead of them, I think. And Are you making decaf coffee? Are you gonna do the eye mask with us? Oh, they're so cold. Oh my god, it's so cold. How long do you keep it on for?
I think so.
What is it supposed to do?
I have no idea. It just feels really good.
It does feel really good.
Oh.
Does this help with puffiness in the morning?
I don't know. Yesterday was the first time I used it. Oh, 15 to 20 minutes.
What's this gonna do to me?
It's gonna make you feel good. I have to make you look all pretty.
Is it like, what is it, like?
It just feels good.
You both your heads at the same time. Wait, you guys get close together. I'll do the. Come here. Let me try. Let me try.
Oh, it just feels
I feel like a linebacker.
Yeah, you look really tough.
If I had to get some of the inside information, like if it was like a gambling line on this, like over under her getting past 2 minutes in October by the end of October, I'm advising people to stay away from that bet.
Mitch, 5 minutes.
No, I know. Wait. I'm gonna take the under on that.
Rude. Oh.
no.
Call me a whore.
Oh, it's poor.
What kind of chips are these?
They're lime flavored cauliflower chips.
Oh my god, they smell so good. Wow. Wow. This is the difference. Their stuff is healthy. Cauliflower things, snap pea things, Quaker rice cake things, but they're all really good. These, the Parmesan roasted garlic, tastes like spaghetti. Tastes like pop. It tastes like pasta. Yeah.
Garlic oil.
I'm telling guys, trust us.
Taste that?
I'll eat whatever.
Taste that? You eat Maddy's. Does it taste like Caesar?
That tastes like a Caesar salad.
This is crazy.
Right? Tastes like spaghetti. At first you're probably like, what?
Wait, you'll be really impressed with this one.
Alright.
Cauliflower pretzels.
Oh no.
You're gonna like it.
Cauliflower pretzels. I'm not a fan, guys.
Of the pretzels?
What about these?
These are really good.
These are really good.
Do those come in different flavors?
Yeah, they have cheddar also.
Do you have them? We're making pancake cereal, but like I said, they're healthy, so we're making whole wheat pancake cereal. Let me see.
You want to warm up the syrup?
Do you do that? I had a busy day. I went to Brooklyn and I met with a production manager and we got coffee. And then I went uptown to Target. It took me like an hour to get there. And then I went to Target and I got some good stuff. Not really, boring stuff, but stuff I needed. Coconut LaCroix, bread, oatmeal. I got these. You can check my Instagram out because I put this on my snacks highlight. Spoiler alert, they were eh. Anyway, I'm about to go to TJ Maxx's. I have to return something, and I guess we'll see what else I find there. Hopefully nothing, for my wallet's sake. That's what I'm talking about. I'm going to end this vlog here. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment what you want to see down below, or DM me on Instagram. Follow me at Maddy Hollander. This is a new little plug, Instagram plug. Do you guys like it? Let me know. Okay, that's all. I'm gonna start my next vlog right here. So I'll see you guys next week. Roll that dope ass outro.